Alright, let's take a look at this retro edition of the Uno card game. This came out in 2021, and it's a little different than the 50th anniversary set that came out a year before in 2020. So this one has the actual words on it, draw to, wild, and so forth. If I could find another one in here. So these use the actual words, and I guess at some point in the past they changed from words, so you didn't have to know English, to symbols to symbolize the actions, and that's why these are classics. The back has more of a stylized retro feel from 2021. The actual cards had a different design completely, but they're not trying to mimic the cards from the 80s. They're just trying to give us the face cards that actually have the English language on them, as opposed to the symbology. So it's a neat looking deck, and if you like the black with the rainbow stripe, then you're going to really like these. But there's all kinds of warnings on here that you do need to know the English language in order to play the game. So there you go, 2021 retro vintage edition of the Uno card game. Hope this helps.